And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to apply a promo code on Tinder. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you don't need any Tinder app or so, you just need a web browser. Simply tap open any web browser you want and type in the URL tinder.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you gotta do is simply tap on I accept, and now you don't even need to create an account or login. You need to simply scroll down below, and there in the FAQ section you can find an option called promo code. Simply tap on it, and once you have done this, you will need to now simply type in your promo code here. So once you have typed it in, you need to hit the submit button, and once you have unlocked your app, you will be available, or like you will be able to redeem this promo code instantly. So this is how you can simply follow the on-screen prompts, enter your credit card information, and then you're all set by a redeemed promo code. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.